Hi friends, it's Nicole Martel with a cherry on top. Happy New Year and welcome to our YouTube hop for January. Today we're sharing winter themed projects and I'm using Simple Stories Flannel Season collection. And I'm just going to be working on two 6x8 snap album pages. And I had a few pictures that I've still been waiting to use, and this is the perfect opportunity to use them. To begin, I'm going to mount down, I'm matting the two papers that came in the snap binder. That way I have one side with the stripe and the other is a polka dot, because I wanted two different pages. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using the chipboard frames, they're so cute. And I'm going to carefully move the picture around so that everyone's faces is showing and nothing cut off. I'm going to mount that right on the back of the chipboard frame using adhesive to hold it in place. And then I'm going to glue the base frame down on the layout. And then I'm going to go ahead, press it down a little bit so that it dries flat. And then I'm going to go ahead and mount down the second chipboard frame to the center. It's just going to make a fun page. And then once I have that down, I love the little reindeer, and it's a chipboard. So he layers really nicely at the corner there, covering the other reindeer. And I'm going to pop them up with the foam square too. So nice. And this is going to be pretty simple. I'm keeping it simple. And I'm just looking for something to cover the corner there. Trying not to cover anybody's faces, and this is going to work out great. And then I'm just looking for something else to add, some greenery at the top of there, just to add some layers. And then some berries to add a little bit of red in there to bring out the snowman. And then I think that's pretty much it. And then I thought I can go ahead and layer the foam sticker on the flower just to make it pop a little bit more and add dimension. And that's pretty much it. I'm just keeping it simple. And then I have two more pictures that I have here that will work really great with the chipboard frame. It's a duplicate photo frame. And so to begin, I'm just looking for a pattern paper to add to the center here. I didn't want it to be all blue, and I just wanted the blue to be in the background. And so I'm going to mount down the plaid paper to the center here. And I'm just being careful not to cover the holes. And then I'm going to flip it, and then we're going to go ahead and place down the matted photos behind the frame. And then I'm just being careful to make sure that's lined up before I do that. And then I'm just going to stick these down to hold it in place. And then the other photo, I'm going to do the same and put these down just so they don't move. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and mount this right onto the layout, like so. Perfect. I love how that looks. And then I'm just looking for some other little embellishments to add here. I'm going to add some enamel dots here. I never know what to do with these things, but I'm just going to add a little bit of color, pop them on there. And then I'm looking for a tag, because I do like to add some tags on my layout. It just brings it all together nicely. I'm going to pop a hole in there, or punch a hole in there, and then cut this down to place up here. And then I'm going to glue this down, and then add some string. And it's super fun and simple. I love this size scrapbooking because the layouts literally come together in a snap. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some other embellishments. I think this would make a nice layer at the top there. A nice cluster with the tag. So I'm going to put that there. And then I love the bow. It's super cute. And so I'm going to pop the bow on there. And then I had a red decorative brad. I'm getting down to the bare end of this collection. So I like to use up as much as I can. And then I'm just moving around some embellishments to see what I want to use. I kind of want to find a sentiment, but I don't want to get something too big. I kind of want it to all be small enough to work. So I'm just looking, and then this kind of works. So I'm going to cut that, I think, down And then I have some snowflakes, and it's a winter layout, so I figured I need to add some snowflakes. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to just leave it. I'm going to cut this down, and I'm going to put each part on the frame. And that works out great. And then I'm going to glue these down. I just love this. This is cute and simple, like so simple. These 2 pages came together in like not even 20 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some gems to the center of the snowflakes just to add a little bit of sparkle. This is fun. I like the blue and white ombre glitter drops from Pink Fresh Studio. They're really pretty. So I'm going to just get these. I'm trying to look for like a medium and really small ones in my stash, and then I'm going to glue them down. And then I'm going to carefully glue them down, because sometimes when I squeeze too hard, I get too much glue all over the place. So I'm trying not to do that. And then I did, and then I used a piece of paper to scrape off the excess. And then I'm going to glue these down, and that's pretty much it. And there's my layout. Very quick, easy, and fun. And then just to show you real quick, I want to do a flip through. I'm going to put this in here where it belongs and show you the album that I made. And I made this last month for Simple Stories, and it's all the same collection. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through and let you see how pretty this is. And there's just a lot of different things in here. There's bookmarks, there's journaling pages that I have not gotten to. And then the chipboard title pages. I did make a pocket for cards and tags. And then I do have just regular pocket pages in here with flip inserts. And then I have the page I just made. And then I love the journaling spots on that one. It's just a fun book. I just love it so much. And it definitely feels like winter looking through this. But I had a lot of fun making this. And the flannel season collection is so perfect for these photos that I used from Edward's snowboarding trip. And I hope you were inspired today, and thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy holidays. Bye.